You know, one of the coolest things about having a digital marketing business is digital real estate. What I mean by that, you know, today, for example, it's what, 7:30. I've put no videos out. I've been handling a lot of stuff, doing some personal things, running some errands, and focus on other areas, kind of disconnected from social media. And I had 3 sales, 100% people buying a legacy builder program at $900, 100% commissions. I did nothing today. Now, why is that exciting? Because I've created content consistently every single day, and it's out there. And you never know when somebody runs across something I put out there, whatever it is, it resonates with them. They go to my site, they put their email. Because it's done for you, they follow the sales pages that encourage people to get started, educates them, empowers them, helps them make a decision, helps them get started, helps them get their business going and profitable without even speaking to me. And so we're saying that I'm sharing this with you because this just happened. 3 sales today. I'm very happy. 900 a day is cool, but 3 times doing nothing is even better. And so one of the most encouraging things about this digital marketing business is that you just never know. You keep on pumping, you keep on pumping, you keep on pumping. And not only do you get sales every day, but there's stuff that comes from stuff you did God knows when, right? And I tend to find out where it came from, but sometimes I don't. And you know what? I don't care. As long as it comes, I'm happy. And so anyhow, if you've been following me for any time, you know that this digital marketing business, it pays. 2 hours a day educating yourself, 2 hours a day creating content, 2 hours a day following up can lead to daily pay. And as you know, today was a good payday. So look forward to helping you. Look forward to working with you. digitalpaysmedaily.com. Go to my website or say, Freddie, I'm ready. And I'll send you the information. Take care. God bless. And you make it a great day.